Hello everybody, welcome to Blocks Mania. Today we are going to see how to make a easy helicopter and the easy tricycle. If you want to buy this type of blocks, I have given the link in the description box. Please do check. Let's see how we can make it. I'm going to start by making the tricycle. For making the tricycle, you have to attach this piece like this. Attach a wheel underneath. Then fix one here, another one here, then fix this piece here. Then I'm going to connect these two wheels on both the ends. Now our tricycle is ready. I'm going to show you how to make the helicopter. For making the helicopter, we have to attach the blades in this form on all the three sides of the wheel. Then I'm going to make the landing gear. For making the landing gear, you have to attach these two pieces together and make another one in the similar way and put it aside. Now let's make the body of the helicopter. For making the body, you have to take two of these pieces, attach them together using this piece and over here. Okay, now this is ready. Now we turn it upside down. Connect this piece. Take this piece and fit it here. Now turn it upside down. Turn it straight again and insert this over here. Now this is done. I'm going to attach the landing gears. For attaching the landing gears, we have to attach this over inside completely. Like that. Then bend them out, so that it will look like landing gears. Then I'm going to attach these two together and fit it here. And then attach this piece over here. Now the nose of our helicopter is ready. Now for the back. For making the back, you have to attach this piece over here. These two pieces together in like this and attach it over here. Now for the final, we have to attach this over here. Now our helicopter is ready.